Focus. Over 3,000 years ago.
In oracle bone inscription it is written as this. As for oracle bone inscription, all of them are carved with knife on turtle plastrons and animal bones. It is the earliest known form of Chinese characters. Appeared around 3,500 years ago. In oracle bone inscription, it looks like the animal skin, which is removed and laid out to dry. The upper part refers to the head. The middle part refers to the upper body. As for the dots on it just refer to the texture on animal skin. The bottom refers to the lower body. In bronze inscription the lower body written in a horizontal line. As for bronze inscription, which are cast or sculptured on ritual bronzes, it is occurred also about 1,500 years ago. Only a little bit late than oracle bone inscription, in small seal script. For the convenience of witting, the middle part changes into the flat mouth. It is known that small seal script is writing with ink brush on pieces of bamboo or wood. It is occurred about 2,200 years ago. All of the transformation happened in bronze inscription and small seal script be kept in simplified character. It is well known that the simplified character refers to the character that are simplified from traditional form. It is occurred in 1955. Dr. Bronze says the original meaning is leather, which is different with kai means fur. At present the common meaning also is leather, but sometimes only refers to artificial leather. Chukaine is a Buddhism term. Buddhists believe human being is not clean, who likes a bag filled with filth. So call it stinking skin. Also call it stinking leather in some other places. Chukaine have become the daily life expressions today. It means human body, with a little bit negative meaning.